All right, it's time to check back in with Dana Osgood. Dana, what should we expect heading into the week?
So Sam, what we're really going to be expecting is just a lot of cold weather until we get to a warm up, but it's going to be cold before the temperatures warm up. So here's a look at some of our high temperatures across the state today. Only a high of 2 degrees today in Caribou, a high of 6 in Holton, a high of 10 in Augusta, a high of 22 today in Portland. Our average high temperatures are still at or above 30 degrees, excuse me. Overnight tonight, we do have a cold weather advisory, formerly a wind chill advisory, in effect for all of the areas here shaded in this light blue color, really the northern third of the state, and that's in effect until tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., which really speaks to our overnight low temperatures just being extremely cold. And our wind chills are going to be fairly similar to our ambient or outside temperatures. We're not going to have a ton of wind overnight, but I wanted to show this because it points out just how cold it's going to be. So by the time we hit our show at 11 o'clock tonight, our feels like temperatures will be below 0 all the way down to the coastline. As we get into the overnight, areas of northern Maine could have feels like temperatures down to -20 in some spots. So certainly a night, if you're going to be outside, certainly need to bundle up and dress appropriately because of this cold. In fact, it will take until the afternoon for our feels like temperatures across the state to finally get above 0. So we're going to have mostly clear skies overnight tonight, which helps our temperatures drop down so low. And then high temperatures tomorrow are only going to be in the upper teens, maybe some lower 20s, certainly the coldest day of the 7-day forecast. And then around dinner time, we do have a clipper system that moves in Monday night, and that will bring some snow showers mainly in the southern and western half of the state there, and that will move through overnight into very early Tuesday morning. And Tuesday will actually start our warmer stretch with high temperatures getting into the mid to upper 20s. However, a wintry mix will move in during the overnight hours lasting through Wednesday. So here's a look at some of the snowfall forecast for the Monday night clipper. Across the state, mostly seeing a coating to about an inch in the northern tier, likely not seeing any snow up in the county, and about 1 to 2 inches in areas of Augusta south and west. So then we have this another clipper system. So as it starts to warm up, we're also going to heat up our pattern a bit, because overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll have another clipper system that moves in. This one will bring some heavier precipitation. It's also going to be a bit warmer though, so we'll have a wintry mix to contend with, and a lot of coastal areas will likely switch over into rain. And that system will depart in the afternoon and overnight. And then another one comes in for Friday, but this one does have a little bit of uncertainty to it. The European model is a lot faster. It brings in the rain a lot earlier. This is a look at 1 p.m. on Friday, so it brings in the precip a lot faster. However, the GFS just updated. Good news. So before, the GFS had the rain coming in much later, but the most recent run came out, and we can see that it's in agreement with the European model, so that gives us much more confidence that Friday will feature rain across the state. So we are finally going to get a little bit warmer as we get into the second half of the week. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet, small craft advisory. We'll take a look at that 7-day forecast. So during the day tomorrow, it's going to be extremely cold, high temperatures only in the teens, and then some snow overnight Monday into Tuesday, bringing about 1 to 2 inches of snow in areas of southern and western Maine. A wintry mix comes in on Wednesday. You might see a little bit of ice there too, so something we'll be keeping an eye on for sure. Partly sunny on Thursday, and then some more rain comes in for the second half of the week, Sam.
Thank you, Dana. We'll be right back.